Hi kids! Welcome back! For today, we are going to discuss your lesson about prepare a product out of local, recyclable solid or liquid materials in making useful products. For our most essential learning competency, design a product out of local, recyclable, solid, and or liquid materials in making useful products. For today's objective, prepare a product out of local, recyclable, solid or liquid materials in making useful products. Let's ignite your curiosity, discover something new, unleash your inner scientist with Science 5! I am your virtual teacher, Teacher Regine. Plastic bottles out of soda drinks and used cooking oil are one of the waste products produced by different households. Disposing them improperly may cause unwanted effects in our environment, such as flash flood. From our previous lessons, we were able to identify and describe ways on how to recycle waste materials. We can apply the 5 R's in waste management to be able to minimize the disposal of these materials to the landfill. But how could we turn a plastic bottle into a plant pot? How about used cooking oil into homemade hand soap? Let's find out. For our guide questions, number 1. What are locally made products? Number 2. How to prepare a product out of local, recyclable, solid, or liquid materials in making useful products? And number 3. What are the importance of creating locally made products out of recyclable materials? What are locally made products? Locally made products. These are made and produced out of locally available materials and resources. Locally made product shows the country's rich culture and craftsmanship. It can highlight the people's creativity and sustainability as they utilize recyclable materials as their raw materials. How to prepare a product out of local, recyclable, solid, or liquid materials in making useful products. Let's say you have the following materials at home. What do you think you can do to these materials? Do you have any idea how to turn these materials into a useful one? To prepare a product out of local, recyclable, solid, or liquid materials, let's first identify the available materials needed to be recycled. Identifying recyclable materials is crucial for creating useful products because it allows us to maximize resources and minimize waste. Number 2, define the product's purpose. Think about what you want to create. It can be a decorative items, household tools, toys, furniture, or even eco-friendly fuel such as biodiesel from used cooking oil. Number 3, design and plan. Sketch out your idea and decide how the material will fit together. Make sure to consider the safety, durability, and practicality of the product. Number 4, prepare the materials. Clean and sanitize the recyclable item to remove the residue and then modify it by cutting, painting, or reshaping. Number 5. Assemble the product. Use adhesives, screw, or any suitable method to put your product together. Consider as well an eco-friendly binding agent if possible. Number 6. Test and redefine. Check the functionality and safety of your product. Adjust the design if needed. And number 7, add value. Decorate or customize your product to make it appealing and unique. Highlight the recycled nature of your creation. This adds a story to your product that people may appreciate. Here are some of the waste materials that we can recycle. Plastic bottles can be turned into plant pot, and used cooking oil can be filtered and processed into handmade candles and soap. What are the importance of creating locally made products out of recyclable materials? Number 1. Reduces waste by repurposing it that would end up in the landfill and ocean. Number 2. Creates job opportunities in recycling, production, and sales sector. Number 3. Sparks ingenuity by inspiring people to transform waste into functional, beautiful, or artistic products. Number 4. Strengthens community ties through collaborative recycling or crafting projects. And lastly, number 5. Provides unique, personalized items that stand out in the market. Did you learn something new in our today's lesson? Good job! I'm so happy to hear that. See you again in our next lesson. This is your virtual teacher, Teacher Regine. See you again in our next one. Bye!